everybody, welcome back to this part 3 tune-up little series. So like I mentioned before, you gotta jack up the vehicle, loosen the lug nuts, jack up the vehicle, and get the tire off in order to access the spark plug wires and the spark plugs. Oh, we got the vehicle jacked. I got a backup jack back there. Let's get the tire off. We're on a roll now. So you want to try to save these little plastic pieces. You can buy a tool, which I have over here. And this will get right at them. Alright, now we can get in there pretty tight. The first wire, of course, I want to attack is the one that's misfiring. You can see right there where it burned. Alright, got these here to get the spark plug wire. What I'm going to do is just kind of grab it, try to loosen up, and then pull straight off. Okay. So the 3 wires on the left, the 5 wires on the right. And I just pull that off. I can just pull it off. Well, they put dielectric grease on there, which so they put in the OEM spark plugs that I ordered and paid for, which was nice. Those are all in there, but I think I'm okay with the spark plugs. Okay, let's go ahead and take off the number 3 wire. Remember, it's 5, 1, 3. Off it comes. Let's do the few clips and the zip tie here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down so I can do this. Okay, here's the number 3 wire. I'm not sure if you can tell where it's burnt. Maybe right there. Look at that. On right through. Okay. First pick. Okay, so before putting your wire on, you do want to apply some dielectric grease. I got some here. I got it at AutoZone. It's pretty slick. I brought some Q-tips just in case. You don't need to apply a lot, and you only want to apply it around the rubber coating. You don't want to put it obviously inside the metal piece there of the spark plug wire. All right, let me try to show you that. Ooh, yeah, see, it came out real fast. So I'm gonna just apply a little bit on my Q-tip here and be very careful. You're just going around the outer part here. The reason why you do this is so when it comes time to change them, they're easy to take off because they can kind of bond and corrode and rust on there. So very important you put this on. Okay, we'll do the other side here. Just a light little coating. And if I'm doing this wrong, let me know. Hopefully I don't find that out the wrong way, but this is what I researched on the YouTube, how to apply it. Okay. Now we're ready to put it on. I think I'm going to start from the top and let it dangle down. All right. Ooh, that feels absolutely on there. I like that. Okay, I'm going to trickle this down. And if I need to come back and replace this spark plug, I will, but I believe it's okay. It's just the wire. Oh, absolutely on. Which is right there. See if I can wiggle it off and give it a pull. Oh, I don't think I bought the long enough ones. Alright, got a good grip. Thought I had a good grip. I really just want to pull that sucker off. There she goes. And again, the number 5 wire right here. Okay, could probably just pull that sucker up from here. Look at that. And pull this off. Bada bing. Okay, and that's the process. On with the dielectric grease. We'll proceed. Snap. Okay, so made my first mistake here. That's not good. Well, I'll have to deal with that in a second. Should have used this tool to pull it off. I pulled by the wire, and now I have to remove that spark plug. That piece got stuck right on it. So don't do that. Use the tools that you're supposed to. Boy, I'll see if I can get you in there. You can see what's going on. Nothing pretty. Yeah, somehow I gotta get that off. I was able to get at it because I had these tools, thank goodness. But anyways, don't do that. Use your tools. All right. Oh, let's get the number 1 wire. Hook that up. All right, dielectric grease in. Feed this down. There she is. Everything looks good there. All right, that is absolutely in there. Just triple check. All right. So now that the wires are all on, I'm gonna do what that maintenance guy I paid him to do, and it's attach all the clips to make sure the wires. Very important you do that. That way the wires are kept away from the engine, so this doesn't happen. All right. If you don't do your clips, this is the result. All right, I feel like I should say this. So these are the clips, the new clips I bought, and there is a little hole there that this goes onto a piece near the engine. Those pieces that are on there now, they're so on there. There, you can kind of see it now. But that would go on. I'm trying to pull them off, but they're so fixed on. So all I'm gonna do is cut off the clip part and just fasten that right on. Because, like I said, the pieces that are already on there attached to the engine, they're on there. I don't want to mess with that. All right, so I'm just gonna cut those off and use those parts of the clips. All right, so for the single one, which is right here, tough to see. I don't know if you can see that. But if you see where my arm is, you can come from right under the wheel on the left side and fasten that clip right on. I got it on there. Now the other two that you got to fasten, you probably have to get it from inside the vehicle. All right. Okay, so we got the clips done. As you can see, there's the first, second, third, and way down there, just a single one. So as you can see, it keeps it away from the engine, keeps all the wires where they're supposed to be. All right, so I'm gonna button everything back up, put the tire back on, lower it down, fire it up. I don't want to fire it up when it's on a jack. Hopefully that service engine's light is gone. Moment of truth here. Well, it's definitely not misfiring. Problem solved, I believe. Still going to change out the wires on the other side and eventually clear the code. All right. All right, if you can't tell, the passenger side is much easier to get to these wires compared to the driver's side. But we got wire 6 here, wire 4 here, and wire 2 here. Well, that seems a little loose. No, it's on there. So yeah, much easier to get at. See what I mean? They zip tied that. This is a terrible job. And look at this, they put this, like, these wires right on the block here. Why wouldn't you go over and secure it? Ay, ay, ay. All right, since it's first, we'll go ahead and remove the coil wire. That pop off there and up top here. Okay, that's the coil wire. And then we'll work from 6. Actually, yeah, we'll start with 6. To do the tedious clips, we got those there. There's 3 clip there. There's a single clip there and a double clip there. Much easier to get at. Put everything back. Woo! Check engine light just went on. So, yeah, I've been driving it for a few days, no issues. Pretty happy with the results. I guess in the video I didn't actually shoot, you know, how to take out the spark plugs. You'll still need the long extension. Something you might have to buy is a little swivel adapter and something to, you know, get onto the spark plugs. I guess a spark plug socket. All right, this is a 5/8 is what you'll need, and that way you're able to get in there. You want the swivel because it can be a little bit tough if you watch the video. So yeah, No, I paid for that to be done. That was the one thing they did right with the right parts, so I figured might as well get my money's worth a little bit here. In retrospect, I wish I just went for it and did it myself. You learn a lot more that way, and it's a little bit rewarding. Say, yeah, know what's going on here. And yeah, I guess that's a wrap on this one. I'm gonna button this all up, and I might make a separate video on that because, you know, it's a little process. We'll catch you on the next one.